Guys, in day 2, actually, I did not post in day 3 because it's already finished. So, guys, here is my Minecraft Lego finished build. There's a villager looking, a sprout, a Minecraft creeper, also a zombie, and I forgot the name. No. What is it? Iron Golem. Iron Golem that is battling the zombie in a rooftop. I'm gonna show you. That's a zombie. And a villager that is working on the plants. And of course, a pig. And Steve's house, I think. And look what the Alex house. It's a Minecraft house. Guess what is inside of it? I cannot, bruh. I cannot. Because it's already attached. But you can open the door. But it's too keep. Ugh. Oh. I cannot. Buksan. Sorry. But it's all done. This is what will it look like, I think. This blueprint. Here, what am I missing here? So bye.